Hi, I'm Mary Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I will be your initial contact when you contact our company. I'll collect some basic information from you, nothing important, just where you live and your phone number. We discuss your vision of the project, what you want, what you're hoping for, and how we can get you there. I'll ask you to take some pictures and to send them over to us. That is the key to all of this. And once I receive that, I'll notify you that I've got it, and we set up an appointment, either Teams, FaceTime, or by phone. And at that point, we've got you scheduled for an appointment with one of our representatives. This is designed to give you peace of mind and an easy process through all of this.
Hi, this is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today to talk about a virtual consultation. What you heard earlier from Mary Rose is that she'll collect some information from you, like photographs of your project. Well, that information comes over to our consultation team. Once we get that, we set up the virtual meeting with you, and that virtual meeting is something that we can do either by telephone, we can do it on Teams. Teams is something like Zoom, or we can use FaceTime, whatever's convenient for you. What we do during that consultation is we listen to you and we gather information because we want to understand what your vision of the project is. So we want to know a little bit more about the project than just the technical pieces of it. So for example, let's say that you want to remodel your kitchen. Well, I'd like to know who eats in the kitchen, who cooks in the kitchen, how many people come over and visit. Do you have people over on a regular basis? Or is it maybe one or two people that use the kitchen? The reason I need that information is because it's going to help in the design process. How big does the island need to be? How big does that range need to be? So we want to gather that information so that we can put together a package that works well for you and get you to that next level, get you into that dream kitchen, for example, or bathroom or deck or whatever it is. During this meeting, once I have that information, I'm going to be able to work with you and start talking about the pricing, because price ranges could be all over the place. A bathroom can cost $15,000. Another bathroom can cost $60,000. Same thing with kitchens and decks. The range has to do with your vision, what you want. Once we're able to come up with giving you an idea of what that ballpark number is, we can then start to hone in on what your budget is, how much you want to spend for this. What are the things that you have to keep in the project? Are there some things that we can eliminate? It all depends on what you want. Again, we want this project at the end of the day to be the project that you want, something you can live with, something you can live with for many, many years and really enjoy. Once we're finished doing all that, then we talk about the next step. The next step can be a site visit where we come out, we take measurements, we talk a little bit more, we put together a scope of work, we do a design. We have various levels of designs. We can do a simple 2D drawing that just shows you where everything is laid out in a room, or we can actually do a rendering with a virtual tour of your room. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to hearing from you and to get this project started and make something that you will enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rose, and I work here at Remodeling Wizards. I'm in charge of scheduling and getting you through the whole process, from the start to the finish. Once you get through the site visit, we'll produce for you a written estimate and a scope of work. We'll also include your design package. After that, we come up with an agreement that's going to lay out the terms of the project and your payment schedule. We set a date that's convenient for you to start the work. We handle ordering the materials and scheduling the trades like the electrician and the plumber, and we get our dedicated crew lined up to begin your work. Once we start, you'll be hearing from me regularly to make sure we're meeting or exceeding your expectations for the job. At Remodeling Wizards, we treat our customers like family. We can't wait to partner with you.